no akwa be me do ba mama do message me do bibiara say subscribe. Today we are going to learn how to make shortbread, a simple homemade shortbread. So these are my ingredients. My 100 grams of custard sugar, my 200 grams of butter, 300 grams of plain flour. So I'm going to mix the sugar and the butter to a creamy together. So sit down and wait for me. That's my butter and the sugar together to make it creamy. The simple homemade shortbread. I'm going to add the flour little by little and make it creamy again. Not all together at the same time. So we see for saying na my naye. So shortbread, no water, no milk. Then I'm going to roll it gentle because it's very rich. So you roll your dough like that, gentle because it's very rich. There's no milk, no water. So maybe 0.5 centimeters. Maybe then you use your cutter and you cut it. You can cut it any style that you want. Here comes. See? Then another one. Perfect. That's my shortbread. So guys, that's my shortbread. So I'm using fork. You see? And then later I will sprinkle it with a sugar. Then I will turn my oven 180 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes. Then it's ready. So wait for me. Guys, the shortbreads are ready. Come on, look at it. It looks so yummy. Homemade shortbread. Look. Look. Ha, yeah. Look. Homemade shortbread. Simple as that. Everybody can make it. So I'm going to serve it. And then you will see how it goes. Guys, my shortbread is ready. Come on, look. Look. It's so yummy. Try and make one at home and give me feedback on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the people who are subscribing and sharing my videos. Thank you, and God bless you.